Hi everyone, it's Kristi. I am here with a flip through of my journal in a box. I used the Nature's Remedies kits by Artymaze and Love Junk Journals. And yeah, these are really cool papers. Huge kit when you put the two together. And lots of choices. In fact, I think I have enough leftovers to make another project. So anyway, this is a box that I received with Walmart samples. It was a Walmart beauty subscription. The box is about 8.5 by 5.5 and about 2 inches deep, and it has, a completely removable lid. Okay, so I wrapped the lid in the papers from the kit and covered it with lace, and then I added one of the tall tags from the kit. It has this comes out here, and I've added some seam binding ribbon and a butterfly charm on a bulb pin. Down here on the bottom I have a piece of linen from an old tablecloth that I am upcycling. I have the little journal with some small brads. This is in one of the kits. I don't know which one is which because I got them both, and after I coffee dyed them they were all mixed together, and yeah, really cool. So the lid fits snugly but not too tight. I did wrap it with this paper, which is like letters. I love it. I've distressed the edges here. I did wrap the top, but I did not wrap the box. The box is gessoed and distressed with the vintage photo. So I have a seam binding closure on here, and it's just tied in a bow. So let's see if I can untie this without, oh, I figured that was going to happen. One of them went through the loop. Let's try that again. Kind of made a knot. There we go. The journal is 5 by 8. It has a 3/4 inch spine. I have covered both sides. This is a file folder. Started out with a file folder. Covered both sides with the lace. Used another piece of another piece of linen for the spine. Taken one of the journal cards here and added that as a focal point. It's matted on coffee dyed paper. I've got another piece of linen here that has some cheesecloth, and so there's some corrugated cardboard with the word inspire and a purple button. I thought that would play nicely with the totally blank purple flowers. So let me open this up. This has a postcard pocket. Everything in here is from Nature's Remedies, with the exception of the seam binding and the any kind of crochet trim or anything like that. All the papers are Nature's Remedies. So I have the postcard pocket, and in this pocket I've put a large tag with some seam binding. I have a half of one of the background pages that I've included for extra writing space. Here's one of the designer pages. I've got a dictionary page. Move this over just a tad. I've got coffee dyed paper. Here's a belly band with a small booklet and a journal card. I have coffee dyed everything. This is 3 tickets from the collection with some crochet trim. Another designer page, a coffee dyed doily. Another coffee dyed page has a little corner pocket. I've got a piece of lace with one of the circle punches, and I've got a journal card, a smaller tag, and a little T card here. There's another designer page, ledger paper. This is, excuse me, I believe this paper is from Pixabay. It's coffee dyed writing paper, and just backed it with coffee dyed paper. But this is a little tuck spot here. There's a journal card here. This is I'm calling it a tag flip, and basically it is a medium to large size tag. It doesn't really matter. I've folded it in threes so that it can be used like so and tucked somewhere else, but I like to tuck it over the page. Like so. And then just stick some things underneath and they'll stay. Here's another designer page. Here's an adult coloring book floral page that I've coffee dyed. There's some more coffee dyed paper. On this one we've got it's a letter size envelope, not a number 10, but you could use a number 10 and it would come a little bit higher, about maybe another inch. And I've got a journal card in here. I've glued it on two sides to make a tuck. And let's see, that goes here. And this is a small booklet. There again, everything's coffee dyed. I've got a larger writing paper. This is half of one of the background pages. Really nice. And a smaller tag. And then down here I've taken one of the banners and just put it sideways in this little tuck. And I have another one of the little T cards. Okay, and there's a designer page, some graph paper. Here is one of the envelopes from the collection that I've just paper clipped over the page and tucked in a larger tag. And on this side you can see the envelope, I've tucked in a journal card. Okay, and then that is the center. I have sewn it together with a 3-hole pamphlet stitch, and I've just put a piece of crochet trim in the middle. And I just love the butterflies on this page. There again, another envelope with a journal card and a large tag. Here's the other side of the graph paper, designer paper, another one of the envelopes with the journal paper, a tag, another journal card, a little booklet here, and the banner and the T card. Is that upside down? No. Sometimes it's hard to tell when they have all the roots and the leaves. The other side of that coloring page, designer page, another one of the envelope tag flips that have little things tucked in. Of course, the journal page, another corner pocket with a journal card, smaller tag, and another T card. Lots of T cards in the collection. Here's a horizontal belly band. I've tucked in one of the larger journal cards here. And then this is a booklet that goes in there also. There's the back of the dictionary page, the last designer page, and then in the back pocket I've got a medium tag and some more writing paper. This is a nice little journal for writing, lots of space to write, and yeah, lots of fun to make. So I've just tied it closed here. See if I can tie this. There's lots of room to grow. I have not stuffed it completely, so write or add photos or stuff to your heart's content. It fits perfectly in the box. There's another good 1/2 to 3/4 inches of space this way for the journal to grow. And then we've got the lid on the box with, this would make a great tag, or this journal belongs to, or what have you. So there we go. That's our journal in a box. So I hope you enjoyed that, and it will be for sale on my Etsy store as soon as I get it listed. If you're interested and you don't see it, please check with me. Sometimes my schedule is crazy. So anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you'll try it. It was super easy, and I don't do anything too difficult, as you probably have noticed. So hope you all are well. Thanks for watching. See you next time.